Why Amber Heard has quit Hollywood is now happy in Madrid. 1 year after her ex-husband Johnny Depp sued her for defamation, Heard is reportedly focusing on motherhood far, far away. Just 1 year after the defamation trial from hell, Amber Heard has officially left Hollywood. She hasn't just said goodbye to showbiz, she's literally departed the country per a new report. According to the Daily Mail, Heard and her 2-year-old daughter Onaf Page have quickly relocated to Spain and spotted out of acting for foreseeable future. Apparently Heard, whose last appearance on screen will be a cameo in Aquaman and the Lost Kingdom, and her daughter are now thriving far, far away from this cruel country. She is bilingual in Spanish and is happy there, raising her daughter away from all the noise, said an unnamed friend of hers. Insert Luciana Bluth meme here. Last June, after the week of torturous litigation, tacky TikTok trends, and a disinformation campaign, Heard was found guilty of defaming her ex-husband via her 2018 Washington Post op-ed alleging domestic violence through photos, videos, and emotional testimony from her allegation against Depp. After just 2.5 days of deliberation, a Fairfax County, Virginia jury concluded that she wrote false statements about him, that she deliberately wrote them to damage him, and that she did so with malice. In the statement after the was announced, her said, "The disappointment I feel today is beyond words. I am heartbroken that the mountain of evidence still was not enough to stand up the disproportionate power, influence, and sway of my ex-husband. I am even more disappointed with what this verdict means for other women. It is a setback. It is a setback close to the time when a woman who spoke up and spoke out loud could be publicly shamed and humiliated. It sets back the idea that violence against women is to be taken seriously. I believe Johnny Depp's attorney succeeded in getting the jury to overlook the key issue of freedom of speech and ignore evidence that was so conclusive that we won in the UK. I'm sad I am sad I lost this case, but I am sadder still that I seem to have lost a right I thought I had as an American to speak freely and openly. 2 months later, 6,000 damning court documents were unsealed, revealing that Depp suffered from the erectile dysfunction, submitting nude photography of his ex-wife into evidence, and attempted to hide a declaration that had never caused him specific physical or mental injury. In December 2022, her filed a robust appeal of the ruling, but she ultimately settled with her ex-husband. Of course, the Virginia trial was the second defamation trial Depp has carved with since the pair divorced. In 2018, he sued the Sun for libel after the publication deemed Depp's wife bitter on its front page. Depp lost the case, with a judge concluding that tabloid headline was substantially true after evaluating several incidents of Depp's alleged abuse. Of course, Depp remains just fine. He's worked in the Savage X Fenty show and he's working portraits of great celebrities and directing films. Thus, it's nice to see her flourishing in her own way.